everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet 210. Great car, guys. Love this car. If you haven't noticed, our weather has severely changed today. It's a wicked cold out here. I'll try not to shiver through this video. Very nice car, though. Again, 56 210. It is finished in Pinecrest green and India Ivory. It's also got the ivory and black two-tone interior in it. Nice car, man. It's an older restoration. Car's out of West Virginia. It's about a 15-year-old restoration, but it was a rotisserie restoration when it was done. So it's body color underneath. Great car. I've actually been driving this car for a couple of days. Really good car, man. Matter of fact, I picked up Jordy down at we're picking up a car had to drop a car off the other day, and I drove this car. And man, it runs and drives excellent. I mean, you know, you just you point the direction and go. Just a really good car. Again, it's an older resto, so you can kind of pick, you nitpick. There's some touch-up marks, little things like that. Chrome's nice, but you can nitpick it a little. But very nice car, man. And like I say, I was very impressed with the way this thing drove. Touch-up mark there. I mean, it really hit the road nice. It's got the original 265 cubic inch engine. Pretty paint. Car's nice and straight. Good solid West Virginia body. This car's got all the original Easy Eye safety glass in it. Even the wipers work. The original vacuum wipers work. Love the two-tone. The glass is nice. Just a little dust or something there, guys. Yeah, I like this car, man. Real good car. See the winds whipping. Again, in the spot there. But yeah, good car. All the lights, turn signal, speedo, I mean, all the gauges work. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got 17-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2s. And it's got BF Goodrich G-Force. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. And like you see, get this thing up in the air, and it is body color underneath. Converted to front disc brakes. Again, car has the original 265 cubic inch engine in it. Stock two-barrel, stock intake. It's got the GM's Ram's Horn exhaust manifolds, finned aluminum valve covers, and air cleaner. It's been converted to front disc brakes. There's your original body tag. Original Power Glide automatic trans. Like I say, very impressed with the way this thing drives. Yeah, whoever buys this, you're going to get just a good car, man. And again, it's not a lot of money price point wise. It's just tough to find any kind of Tri-5 Chevy for what we're going to ask for this car. Those look original. You can nitpick them a little bit. Again, look how nice the glass is. Doors open and close real nice. It's got a custom, let me show you the door. Jams first. Custom two-tone, it's ivory and black interior, tilt column, sports steering wheel. It's got the factory dash. You see it's got the bow ties in the headliner. 42,556, I'm assuming that's 142. Blower motor works, factory radio delete car. Well, I just put brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Stock rear end. See a couple little touch-up marks there. It's got the factory jack here, back here with the, it's got a bias ply spare, white wall spare. They finished the trunk area. Fit and finish on the car is great. Everything opens and closes real nice. Like I say, get underneath and it's all body color under here. See little custom bow ties in your door pads. New carpet. Seats are nice, comfortable to sit in. I picked Jordy up, man, put my arm up here up on top of him, and hopefully you got a better looking girl than Jordy to put your arm around in here. Like I say, just a good car. Fires right up. Like I say, runs and drives great. Not a race car with that 265 in there, but like I say, just hits the road good. Gauges work. Again, I think everything in there worked. It's cold, guys. Blower motor, yeah, there's no radio in there, but the blower motor works. Again, even the wipers work. Doors close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Car sits good. Great car, man. Have a great day, guys.